whether it was the right thing to do or not. I heavily leveraged the contacts that I had made at NCIX to try to...
Somebody told me Dan did that. I didn't know. Press yours. Yeah.
I thought you guys noticed. Sorry, I noticed his.
I had no idea.
I haven't seen mine yet. I think we might as well just take a short break and acknowledge the elephant in my mouth. I got braces.
Yeah, but that's not actually why.
That's not the real problem. I was planning to not have to say that much today, but I think there's just kind of no way that we can get around this.
I mean, I can do the topics.
I got this. So you can see. Can you see it?
This show is so normal.
Can they see it?
Yeah, they can definitely see it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I had a few different options. There was traditional braces, Invisalign, and then they had these like 3D printed braces. And I was like, I don't know, like 3D printed braces. That sounds kind of cool.
Sounds cool.
They're a little more expensive than Invisalign, actually. So I didn't like save money. But they're apparently faster. And after the initial time putting them on, there's apparently just like less f***ing around with like taking off and remounting brackets and like getting adjustments from week to week. Theoretically, from my understanding, my very basic understanding, they have these templates that they put on so that they get the bracket in exactly the right spot so that you just hook up all the wires, and then over time they put stronger and stronger wires, obviously, just like you would with normal train tracks. And it just rips everything around to where it's supposed to be, just, you know, whatever. I'm going to need a little bit of disking because I have some crowding in my bottom teeth that's pretty rancid. And I was just like, you know, I don't know, 3D printing's cool.
Yeah.
I'm going to do that one.
Yeah.
So what my ortho didn't tell me is that because my bottom teeth are so misaligned, it's hard to kind of see that. Basically, it's like...
The braces being on there now makes it actually harder to see.
So some of the brackets on the bottom are up so high that my top teeth could slice them off if I bit down too hard. So they didn't tell me that that was going to be part of this system. And if they had, I probably would have gone with something else. Because as you guys may or may not have noticed, I cannot make S sounds. And the reason for it is these bite blocks behind my two front teeth on the top that prevent me from biting down so far that it slices off the bottom brackets. There's a gap between them so that I can floss between the teeth.
Yeah.
So I can't feel.
Oh. Yeah, because I was thinking, I was like, I think I can make an S sound without closing my... But I understand now.
Yeah. With my tongue against shit, I can't...
Yeah.
I can't feel.
Do you want some tissue paper we could jam in there?
I want nothing of your help. You mocked me once, never mock me again, or whatever the Princess Bride quote is. I don't know. I'm okay. I'm fine. I'm in some pain. I just got them on yesterday morning.
So there's like the torque.
And I've still had to work. So honestly, the teeth aching has never bothered me that much. Like I've had orthodontic work done before. That's not the worst part right now.
I didn't actually mind my braces that much when I had them.
The worst part for me has been that I've had to work the last couple of days, and I literally talk for a living.
Yeah.
And it's taking extra effort to try to enunciate in a way that anyone can actually understand what the bloody hell it is that I'm saying. It really doesn't help that the video I hosted today, right before WAN show, was on lossless scaling. Someone's God hates me.
That's all-time rough, I think.
So it's taken extra effort to enunciate, and with the brand new braces on my teeth, they're ripping up my gums like more when I have to try harder to do things. And I don't know what it is, but I think these might be sharper than like the regular metal brackets. I don't know. Maybe they're not. Maybe it's just because I'm not like used to them yet. Last time I got train tracks on, I had like an appliance already in my mouth, so I'd had a wire already. So it probably toughened up the inside of my mouth a little bit before I got them on. So it's not really an apples to apples comparison, not to mention that it was 20 years ago. Anyway, yes, Shiro Bane is correct. The true cruelty is that the word lisp is spelled with an S.
There's a bunch of stuff like that.
Yeah, like Asperger's.
Isn't it like the fear of long words is a really long word or something?
Is it really?
I think.
That makes sense. So, all right.
Yeah, the fear of long words is like incredibly long.
Nice.
I can't even say it. It's this. We can share my screen.
No, that's fine.
Okay.
Hippopoto monstress quipida allophobia or something like that. Man, that's really... Also known as sesquipedalophobia. The name is ironically long, making it a bit of a joke for those who've experienced the phobia. Imagine having a fear of long words. I think we've gotten soft as a society. Dyslexic Stoner 240 in float plane chat says, we are not soft.
I was going to say, I think we've gone soft as the society is hilarious.
There's no way that that's right, Ploda. Ploda says the fear of palindromes is a palindrome.
No, I think it is.
Abiophobia. There's no way. It can't be. Is that real?
I think so.
Fear of palindromes can't be a real thing, though. That's probably just a thing.
A lot of these sound...
It's a humorous, unofficial term that ironically refers to the fear of words, phrases, or numbers that read the same backward and forward. That's not real. We live in a society. Stop it.
Somebody said say narcissist.
I won't. I'll have to later. I'll explain later. I find that disrespectful.
Because I stole it from you? I stole your opportunity?
You bastard.
Bath turd? Sorry, I don't understand.
I mean, you did a Caddyshack, and it was you.